Is the real estate adage that your first offer is your best offer true? Well, not always. I'm Eric Peterson, broker and owner of Kopa Real Estate. Let me tell you a story about what happened with this house behind me. So we have put this home on the market. Now in our area, we get a lot of people visiting open houses or even for showings. And there's some of the people that we call the too highs. It doesn't matter what we priced a house at, they would say it's too high. If the home is worth $500,000 and you priced it at $400,000, it'd be too high. And so we got a low offer from one of these potential buyers, and when we presented it to the owner, we talked about the situation and they were worried. They said, oh my gosh, this is our first offer, this is probably going to be our best offer, we should negotiate it. But what we talked to them about is we knew the home was priced right. We knew there wasn't much inventory on the market. We also knew, based on the other showings that we'd had and the people that had come to see the open house, that there was going to be interest. And so in the end, the owner had took our advice, and we decided not to make a counteroffer to those buyers. A couple days later, sure enough, we got a full price offer and the home closed with no problems. So the truth is your first offer your best offer? Well, it really depends on the situation. You need a little bit of knowledge in the market, knowledge of who the buyers are out there, and really knowledge of how you price the home in the first place. When you want to talk about a pricing scenario for your home, give me a call at 512-791-7473. Thanks for watching and make it a great day.